That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Welcome to the fourth tutorial on Theme C. It's a good idea to take notes on the key points I mention. We will be looking at the different parts of the criminal justice service, including judges, magistrates, the jury, the CPS, solicitors and barristers. A barrister is a lawyer who represents and speaks for their clients in court. The judiciary is all the judges in a country. A probation officer is someone who writes court reports on offenders and supervises them in the community. A solicitor is a lawyer who gives legal advice and may speak for clients in court. The criminal justice system is large and complex. There are several roles within it. Judges who work in both criminal and civil courts are known collectively as the judiciary. Most judges have worked for at least 10 years as a barrister, but a few solicitors also become judges. In a jury trial, it is the jury that decides if the accused is guilty or not, but the judge decides on the sentence. Senior judges, who sit in the higher courts, are very powerful. They don't make laws. Parliament does that, as you learnt about in Theme B, but if there is an argument about how a law should be interpreted, it is the senior judges who decide. Full-time magistrates are called district judges and are paid for their work. They are usually barristers or solicitors with at least 7 years' experience. They sit alone. Part-time magistrates come from all walks of life. They are not legally qualified and are not paid. They work with other magistrates. A jury is made up of 12 adults, who sit in a Crown Court and decide whether the accused person is innocent or guilty. A jury is made up of members of the public chosen at random. The CPS advises the police on cases for possible prosecution. It reviews cases submitted by the police for prosecution and, when the decision is made to prosecute, it decides the charges in the more serious and complex cases. The CPS also prepares cases for court and presents them at court. All solicitors must pass law exams because, among other things, they can give legal advice to people who have to go to court. Some solicitors also speak in court on behalf of their clients. Barristers undergo a long legal training too, but they spend most of their time in court representing their clients. They are the only lawyers qualified to speak in all types of court. If an offender is given a community sentence, they will work with their local probation officer. Probation officers are professionally qualified. They write court reports on offenders and supervise them in the community when they have been sentenced. In the exam, you might be asked to describe the powers of senior judges or explain the difference between a barrister and a solicitor.
Up on the law.